name is Chooks Tugo. Say hi, Chooks Tugo. Masarap po ito kahit walang sauce. Very good. Nag-adobo ate.
Nakatago na.
Adobo, ha? Sabi niya adobo,
Where's the
masarap.
chicken?
Say bye-bye, chicken. Come on, chicken. Up. Smart chicken. Come on, chicken. Up. Chicken. Up. Up. Tongtong pa rito. Oh, more magic. Everyone say yes. Yes, more magic. Now it's time for serious magic. This is my floating table, okay? I think it's ready. Everyone say up. Here we go. Don't blink your eyes, okay? Just focus on the table. Say up.
Here.
Everyone say rabbit. Let's go. It's a rabbit. It's a rabbit. Don't touch my rabbit like this. Please come on. Don't be scared. That's it. Good. Come on, man. Hey, rabbit. Okay, bye-bye, rabbit. Bye-bye, rabbit. Alright, so more magic. Buka ka camera and smile. One more. Sige po. Natatoy ako sa mga rabbit. Noah! Tumat na camera, Noah! Rabbit, come on, jump, rabbit, jump, jump! Alright, so more magic. Go on, go back to your seat, kids. Let's continue my magic show. Come on, let's go, go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. It's time for more magic. Now I'm looking for volunteers. Who wants to try my magic? Come on. I need boy. Sir, you, come here. I need your help. And now stage. Up, that's Good. Right. Supposed to be this. Right. So come on, sir. Stand straight like this. Close your eyes. Very good, buddy. Close your mouth. Then close your nose. Just kidding. Right. So open your eyes. Open your mouth. Right. So what is your name? Your name is
Mateo.
Mateo. How old are you?
7.
7. Alright, so Mateo, are you ready for the magic show? Are you ready? Yes. Wait, Mateo. I will give you some magic wand from the movie of Harry. Harry? Harry? No, it's from Harry Roque. Right, so Mateo, hold my magic wand, then check my magic wand. You see the tricks? No. Alright, so Mateo, look at me, I first. Just hold like this, then wait 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That's very easy, but wait, you have that?